Hi, I'm Chris Michelson. I've been a kindergarten teacher in Apple Valley, Minnesota for over 30 years, and I'm here to share with you a new kit that I helped develop with Peaceable Kingdom called Get Ready for Kindergarten All Around Town. It's filled with great learning activities disguised as fun. It was important to us to create a kit that felt fun and playful, so each learning activity is centered around a different area of town where imaginative play can be the foundation of learning. Let's start at the donut shop. At the donut shop, your child will practice early math skills by taking orders and counting donuts, and also exercising their fine motor skills by using special donut tongs. As they take, count, and total orders at the donut shop, they'll be working on their listening skills and early math concepts. And with donuts involved, they'll hardly know they're learning because they'll be having so much fun. Moving on to the post office, you and your child will explore words and letters in a fun way. Help your young learner practice following 2 to 3 step directions by giving them special mail deliveries to follow. Share the fun of learning rhyming words, an important early reading step. At the vet, your child will learn and name shapes, practice with scissors, and even start to understand some life science basics, all while being a veterinarian caring for pets. Finally, your child will practice going to school, and you'll help to make something that could be unfamiliar become more familiar. Your child will gain confidence as they learn and write their letters. And you'll both have fun playing games that teach important lessons along the way. Most importantly, we want you and your child to have fun together while doing these activities. The moments you share with your child now will help set the tone for future learning experiences. Have fun getting ready for kindergarten while learning around town.